Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to use Spotlight on Mac. So let's start. First of all, to use Spotlight, you need to know how to turn it on. There are two ways of doing that. First of all, in the right top corner, you can see this magnifying glass. If you click on it, the Spotlight search will start automatically. So that's the first way. The second way is using a keyboard shortcut. In order to start Spotlight, you simply need to press Command Space on the keyboard and the Spotlight will start. So once we covered that, let's move on how to use the Spotlight search. Spotlight search is a tool in Mac that allows you to search for different things. Not only files on your computer, but also it can allow you to start different programs, it can search the internet, show you the definitions, calculate something, convert to units, and so on. It has many use cases when it comes to that. So let's start from the basics. How do we start a program using Spotlight? Let's say we want to start calculator. We just need to type calc, press enter, and as you can see, calculator is already opened. So we opened calculator, but that's built-in program. What about other apps that we installed on our computer? That's also possible. So let me start the Spotlight. Let me type DaVinci. DaVinci Resolve is a program for editing videos. So once I tap DaVinci, as you can see over here, it shows open. So if I press enter, DaVinci Resolve will start opening. So that way you can open any app that you installed on your computer. As long as you just type the beginning of the name, it should find it and you can simply hit open. So that's when it comes to opening different apps using Spotlight. Now, what else can we do? We can look for different aspects. Let's say I type Siri. When we type Siri, the first result is of course open, but down here you can see Siri settings as the recommended. There are suggestions from the internet. So if you see this icon of the web browser, depending whether you're using Safari, Chrome or anything else, the icon will be here. That means this is the suggestion, the result from the internet. And if we scroll down, it suggests some specific websites such as apple.com/Siri. So you can also look for the things on the internet using the Spotlight search and it will find it for you. And the next section is system settings, where you can configure the Siri. And if we scroll further, there is Siri knowledge, different folders, developers, and so on. There are also help tools. So if you're looking for some help on how to use Siri, it will also suggest you some useful help tutorials, such as how to use Siri on your Mac. And if we scroll further down, we can see the definition. So if we are looking for a definition of a particular word, it will also find it for us over here. So let's say we want to see the full definition. All we need to do is double click over here and the full definition will be open. So as you can see, Siri is an intelligent personal assistant from Apple, and so on and so on. So that way you can find definitions of any word that you would like to find. And another way of using the Spotlight is doing calculations and conversions. So let's say we want to calculate 8 times 5 divided by 3 plus 5 times 4. It will automatically calculate it for us and show the result. Now, if we would like to convert units for that matter, let's say we want to convert 12 feet, and as soon as I type 12 feet, it automatically shows us the conversion in meters. If we don't want to convert it to meters, but to anything else, let's say to centimeters, you type 12 feet in centimeters and it shows you automatically how many centimeters is in 12 feet. If we want it to inches, just type inch and it will show you that 12 feet is 144 inches, and so on and so on. So you can use those conversion rates very fast, very conveniently within the Spotlight itself. Another aspect of Spotlight that we can use is search for files. It's very convenient to search for files. All you need to do is type the name of the file, let's say video to test Spotlight, which I just renamed a moment ago, and then it will find me that particular video that is called video to test Spotlight. And a very cool thing about it is that if we have text documents that we're looking for, we can actually type the contents of those files and Spotlight is also looking through them. So let's say that the file is called blah, blah, blah. You don't remember the name, but you know that inside this file, there is a particular word. You can type that word and it will find it as well. That's pretty cool, right? So that's how you can actually use Spotlight to your advantage. Please let me know in the comments if you find Spotlight useful, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.